In this video, I am going to demonstrate to you on how to disassemble the Plist Editor Pro software to reverse engineer a patch that will bypass the registration process that the application has instructed to perform. Plist Editor is a tool that can help you reading and edit both XML format and binary format plist file under Windows operating system. This was developed by the Wow Software Studio. So here we need to use Plist Editor as the target program for this demonstration, and also we are going to use the x64 DBG reverse engineering tool. Here we are going to access process memory at the kernel level. So first we need to install the Plist Editor Pro program to our PC using the installation setup file. So this is the installation setup file, and I have installed that tool. So you need to open this tool executable file. After that, go to the help tab and then above. As you can see, this shows us that this is an unregistered version. So then go to help and go to register. Here I am going to give my name and whatever the registration code, and press on register. So it's going to give us an error message saying that this is an invalid register code. So our goal is to bypass this registration process using the x64 DBG tool. We are going to disassemble the software to reverse engineer a patch that will bypass the registration process and the application that has instructed to perform. In here you need to remember, or else at least write down the part of this error message string, at least the invalid register code part. So I have taken down it to a notepad file. So now open the x64 DBG tool. So I'm going to select on x64 DBG, and then I'm going to drag and drop this tool to this area, and then click on file tab, and then go to the attach, and then you need to find the process list the target software you wish to patch. So in our case it's the Plist Editor Pro for Windows. Then press on attach. So now this will actually attach x64 DBG to the kernel memory process, giving us access to the memory registers and program instruction offsets. Now what we have to do is do a literal string search for our error message that we had previously written down. In order to do that, right click and click on search for, and then go to all modules, string references. This will actually instruct the x64 DBG to find all literal strings within the target application in all of its resources dependencies for the string. So now you need to wait actually for a while until the search is completed. Now it's completed. So now enter the search string that you need to be found. So in my case it's this one. So copy and paste it in its search tab. So you need to actually cut some of these parts, then it will show us this string. So as you can see, it showed. So double click on it. Now you need to find the address of the instruction set that calls the error message. So this is the error message, invalid register code, that we actually written down. Now you need to scroll down until you find the message registration is successful. So this is it. Thank you for registering Plist Editor Pro. After we found it, we need to see its address offset in order to make a jump procedure from the original error message function. So you need to scroll back to the error message. This is the error message, and here you can see the breakpoint is in here, and then double click on this address, press on this address, and then right click on here and double click on this, and then change this JE to JMP, and then press OK. When it asks to do changes to addresses, click on cancel. So okay, now press on right click while staying on the same memory address, and then press on patches, and then select patch file. So I'm going to give my name as the patch file. Here you need to remember to give the file extension as .exe. It's actually essential, otherwise it's not going to work. So you need to save this in a different location. I'm going to save this in the documents folder. So you need to now close this window. So after giving a suitable name to the executable file with the extension .exe, now you have successfully bypassed the registration process of the Plist Editor software. So the newly created patch software can be found where the location you saved it. In my case, it's in documents. So now you need to actually go here and detach the process from the memory x64 and close this application. So this is the patch file that we created, and press OK, open it, and then go to help and press register. Here I'm going to give my name and the register code whatever you want, and then press register. So as you can see, it pops out the message saying that thank you for registering Plist Editor Pro. So now as you can see, I have successfully demonstrated how to bypass the registration process of this Plist Editor Pro software. So furthermore, you can go to above and you can see this has license to my name. So I have successfully bypassed the registration process using the x64 DBG.